Hey traders, welcome back to another video. So this is day 2 of turning $400 into $40,000 or beyond. So today I managed to capture again some really nice short inside our community as well, and was able to secure about $5.3 thousand in profit. If I just show you the MT4 history, you can actually see today I closed out for about 5.3k in total again. So that brings our entire account with $422 deposit into right now 10.1k of profits. Balance is at $10,500. So let me just quickly go through some of the trades that I entered today. So as usual, if you have not watched our previous day, which is day 1 of the series, please go ahead and watch it. So yesterday I had pretty much some really beautiful short as well. So shorted ones from 23.28 all the way down, re-shorted based on TPF pattern, a pattern that we use heavily in our community for another 3.8 R. That was pretty much yesterday. So today I was looking for some follow through, and I was paying close attention to basically the same level. Key level that I'm monitoring is 23.26. But again, after seeing price action, if you look at the on the 8-minute time frame, you can actually see that we have an intermediate structure here at 23.22. Yesterday I shorted there for 3.8 R because price failed to hold above that 23.22. So today was basically the same thing. I saw price pumped up, broke back under, rejected 23.22 intermediate level multiple times. That's when I hop onto a short. Stop loss wise, about 30 to 40 pips. I think it was about 40 pips. It was 40 pips. Then price had a bit of drawdown. Then we eventually tapped the price high and we just rolled over, and we eventually dropped all the way down. See that beautiful retest? I really love the way that price rolled, went back for a retest at 23.22, and it just continued pushing lower. But rather unfortunate, I was supposed to hold this position all the way down to 23.11, but because I was outside and my internet connection was really bad, so I was happy to say, hey, I'm gonna close it full for about I think it was about 4,000 plus profits. Closed it at 23.15.6. so that's pretty much it for the first position. Second position, really simple. If you look at the news today, we got dollar core retail sales. I was anticipating price to spike after the retail sales. You can actually see the time here is 20:30, which is 8:30 p.m. Malaysia time. That's when we got the news released. Price pumped up beautifully, just according to my daily plan. Within my daily game plan, I have already explained, even inside our community, I say that I expect price to push all the way up, doing some sort of fake out, sweeping liquidity, some manipulation, and eventually came back. And guess what? It revolved around the exact same level. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, you can actually see that 23.22 level was again well respected. Price pushed all the way up, rejected the level, and actually we wicked that level. And if you look at the 2-minute time frame, that was when I realized, hey, it's time to get back onto sell. I was only aiming for a 1-to-1 on this one. Why? Purely just because I was quite concerned that after the massive rally, after this massive push to downside, what if price respects some of these intermediate support level and eventually just pushed all the way back up? And again, my concern was correct, because if you see look at the follow through, if I did not close the position, it would have been a loss. And again, price go back to that 23.26 and reverse back hard again. I was supposed to get into a reshort here at 23.26, cover my position around 23.20, but yeah, I reckon it's a little bit too late, so I was happy to just skip the setup. Turned out to be a winner, probably another 1 to 2k, but it's fine, right? And it's not going to be perfect. This first position as well, if I held it all the way down to 23.11, it would have been at least a 7 to 8k profits, bringing the account balance to probably 12 to or 13,000. But somehow I just closed it for 4 point something thousand profit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. So to show the validity of the account, which is really a live account. I know a lot of you probably already know it's a PayPal deposit, so it can't be fake. It's ICMarket live, but I know some of you might still doubt whether it's demo or live account. So I will probably be doing a withdrawal for about 2k or 2.5k, and I'll show it in our following day of the series. All right, so if you see me posting new video, watch it. That means you will see me having that withdrawal on the MT4 history. All right, so day 2, 10.5k, not too bad. Let's push harder and see by end of the month, by end of June or end of July, whether if we can bring the account into $40,000. Right now the account is officially at 5 figures mark, which is 10k plus. That's when I'll start reducing my risk, just trying to play a little bit more defensive to avoid myself let's say losing 10% of the account in one trade or more. All right, so if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next day. Bye bye.